This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 101 of Building Optimus Prime, the Transformer, the Autobot. In this issue, we are continuing the leg. I don't know if we're finishing the leg. It's getting close to being almost finished. It might be. But first, we're going to look at Santos, the Commander, Arthurian Connection. Plastic Immortality, Optimus as a toy, various different incarnations of Optimus Prime. I remember I had the original OG Optimus, but I don't remember the box at all. I don't remember the boxes for any of the toys that I had as a kid. Rainmakers, Acid Attack, it's obviously a pack of the three of them. Combiners, which is still nothing. They do combine. They are like is it Power Rangers, Megazord sort of things, where they all link up. I like that little construction things making up to a big robot. Yeah, I like that. Leaders of yesteryear, back to Optimus again. The left leg, part 14. One of the outer plates of the left leg is put in place. More than one, really. So we've got the calf support, which we've got make up and attach. I remember doing that last time. Then we've got a bit to put on there. Bit from last time we get to attach. And that's that. Is that finished? It feels like that should be finished. Can't see any transparent bits like this that they're showing you haven't done yet. So we might be finishing the left leg today. So, well, let's get straight to it. So we have our parts from today. We've got the bit from last time, which we're going to be using. We have got screws, not many. Other bits still in bags. Let's get those out there. That, and we've got the pins that hold them together. I remember doing these last time, yeah. So we need to make up this. Onto that goes that, which is D-shaped hole, so you've got to line it up the right way round. Sort of piston bit that goes in the middle. Then these will link together. These pins going through like that. Lead like that. And then they attach to the leg. Let's get the leg back up. Go. This is the calf support, which goes obviously at the back. Yeah, so those pins that I just put in go through there. Yep. Yeah, that goes in there. Like that. And that does the same on that side. Like that. And then they will join up down there with two of the screws. That's what the screws are for. That in the pile for later. These screws go through there. There. Just like so. Lined up on there as well. That. No, get it lined up properly. There you go. So that gives us a bit of movement. I think if the ankle twists, the ankle can twist, and that will still enable that to work like that. So that's that. Then we've got this bit which goes onto the back, over all of that. Well, we've got multiple points of attachment. No, little holes on the outside there. We've just got the one point there which goes into there. I think other bits fit to the outside of that. Let's try that again. Get that lined up under there. In there. Like that. Need to push that in a bit further, a bit firmer. A bit like that. There we have that. And then onto the outside of that, this is fitted. Goes on there like so. So we've got the 3 pins to go into those 3 holes there. So no, we're not finished the leg because we've got another one of those to do on the other side. I'm actually going to take this back off of there. No, I'm not, apparently. Bit of a gap along there, but I think that's how that's meant to be, because it certainly lines up and goes in place like that. There we go. Top one's not quite home. Go. So there we have the inside of the leg complete, but there's obviously a bit more to do. The outside, we've got another panel to go on there, something to attach here as well. But I think that's all we're doing on the leg for now. We're going to take a break from that. We're going to finish off the base, and then we're starting on the arm. So yeah, a little bit strange, but there you go. That will now mostly stand up. Well, there we go. So yeah, the leg getting close to being completed. Show you the hero side, the outside side. So yeah, I do like it. It's so many bits and details. I'm not so sure about these bits being a little bit loose, but I don't think I can do very much about that. Screws are tight. It's just the fit is just it's not loose, wobbling, but it doesn't hold itself into the right place. I might get him stood up and then figure out where that's going to be and glue that in place a little bit. But once he's standing, it doesn't make any difference to it. So I might not bother. Same on the other side, actually. So yeah. So anyway, that is that. Another issue done. I shall see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.